Alrighty. What up, y'all? It's your boy Molly. We're back with another video. I promise you this is not turning into an electric bike, scooter, vehicle channel. We've just been getting a lot of this stuff because it's fun. And we need some fun stuff with this quarantine. Wow.
The size of that freaking wheel. That is a big bike.
Goodness gracious. Okay, wait, hold on real quick. So, as we got our scooters and stuff, I'm going to sneak in this room. He got this electric fat tire wheel right here. It's a kit, I think by Ebike Linking, something like that on Amazon. E-Link Bike, Ebike Link. This is the wheel. It's like 1200 watts. And then this is the stuff that comes with it. Gearing and controller, throttle. He bought the battery separately. I don't know where he put it. Somewhere in this room. I don't know where. I'm pretty sure he's going to assemble it today. Oh, it's right here. I'm going to move it, seeing it's not mine. Hope y'all can see it, because on my screen, or the GoPro screen, actually not. It's for the content. This is the battery. He's going to buy a second battery. Let's go back to the bike. So we got our scooters. Did the review of my brother's scooter. Or not review, but a review of mine, because they got my dad and my brother got their scooter. Let's get back to the bike.
1904. First car tire right here. This is crazy. You not putting this together today?
No, I'm gonna try to put it together today, but I have to air out the tire.
Wait, I'll come with the load. Oh. See, help.
Oh, this is easy.
I want to see it.
Fuck yeah. We got my pump.
Then we can all be driving?
I got my finger pump on. I'm definitely putting it together today.
I got to see this, bro. Not bench, not deadlifting, not.
So this is the bike out of the box now. This thing is ridiculous.
I've never been able to.
So I'm gonna attempt to inflate the back tire to get the hub on. This one started. Inflating the wheel?
Yeah.
That's gonna take a long time. You got it off? Oh, it's on? Monkey
I gotta fill it up now. It looks like a dang motorcycle wheel.
It does. Oh snap. It was not completely on. It's basically on the bike. Alright, so with this video, obviously this isn't mine, so I can't really just sit the camera anywhere and just do a time lapse of him putting the battery in the controller and plugging everything up. So after I show you guys put the hub motor on, not completely on, but just sitting there in the front wheel, I'm just gonna start recording the rest when he probably has this thing pretty much put together. Because yeah, I don't want to keep coming back and forth in here because I've already kind of been doing that. But this thing looks nice. He's gonna have to strip it down again. He's just putting it together because it's in the city of Vegas. We're having I forgot what they call it. You got heat waves and they call it the cool temperature or something else. But I'm just calling it a cool wave because I forgot what it was called. But we had a heat wave, and right after the heat wave, we're now having a cool wave. So we've been enjoying the last 3 days of the cool wave. This being the last day. So we're gonna go outside again today. So he's just putting this together. He wants to get another hub motor and put it in the front. So we have 2 throttles. Usually you connect both motors to one controller and battery and all that, but he's just going to do everything separate and have 2 throttles, which I don't know how he's going to do that because that's kind of weird, but obviously it's possible, but it's just weird. But anyways, yeah, so show y'all this, and after this we'll get back to it when it's pretty much done, and then we start driving out. Alright, so future me talking. About a couple of days later, I wanted to mention, so my brother, for the part 2 that's going to be coming in a couple of months, my brother decided to change plans on the bike. Instead of him doing the 2 motors with the 2 throttles, he's just going to stick to 1 because he's never even driven any of these scooters and stuff before, and he's just going to try to go to 2 motors, pushing him up to 2400 watts. So once he finally got this wheel and tested it out, which is coming up soon, he realized he's too scared to drive anything faster and then doesn't really think he needs to or wants to. So in the future you won't see the 2 motors, but you still will see the black paint, the different higher up handlebars and everything else, just sticking down to 1 motor. Party. Alright, well, forgot that he needed an adapter for the battery to the controller.
Yeah, I gotta tighten it.
Besides that, this is the half final product. Ooh, I farted.
You gotta bring.
Oh. But by the pedal it, since the whole battery thing. Is it easy to pedal?
It is. Surprisingly, yeah. It's running good. I honestly didn't think that would be this good.
Get some speed on that joint.
Riding down the street.
All right, so we're soldering right now.
We think we're soldering. I've never done this. Well, I haven't done it in 20, 30 years.
It has a weird smell to it. All right, so my cover's off. It is not. So my brother finally got this soldering actually worked. My dad said he did a janky soldering. It's janky altogether, but
What do you say?
he's coming out. But this is how it's looking right now. It's pretty janky, but it's not too bad.
Super jank.
All right, I'm trying to see if he's gonna let me get a little bit of test right after he's done, just for the video. There we go. There we go. Hope y'all can see it's good. Oh, I gotta catch up. Oh, he going. Doing about 20 miles an hour. We moving right now, 21 miles an hour. What?
Easily does over 30 miles an hour. Easily.
What gear you on?
I'm in the top gear, but it is trying to go. Like,
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm trying to crazy.
stop that hard.
Cause just like my scooter, I'm only on one wheel, and this is 1,000. So you got 200 more watts than me right now. If you don't move faster than me, you either got a torquey wheel or something wrong.
Huh?
Why are you stopping?
Mom said you want to drive real quick.
Oh.
You gotta be careful though. I don't have any brakes.
Oh yeah, I'm on.
Mom, he got no brakes.
Gotta keep that in mind.
32, easily. This thing
All right, y'all, we can see this good.
is not close to full speed. I had to just let off the gas.
Let it roll for a little bit.
Yeah,
Mom, hit that bitch. Let's see what it can do.
that is literally 19 tons right there.
Huh?
Let's see what it can do. Hit it.
Wait, let me get this turn correct.
Hit it, Mom. Gas it.
Oh, we're on gear 1. How do we move our gears up? Moving the gears up. I said, cause this thing ain't jolting. Yo, this is nice, bro. I didn't expect it to be, because this is oh shit, I gotta remember we got no brakes. I'm ready to gas it, bro. This is nice. Cause I feel like I'm on some sort of, basically a motorcycle. I'll slow it down and try to use my feet for brakes. Cause I remember this thing has no actual brakes. I'm gonna hit the end of the street and then we gonna go. But this is comfortable as hell. If only you had like some suspension on this bike, that would be nice. The electronic braking either doesn't work or it doesn't have any. I do want to accelerate, but I'm gonna have to cut it short. But this is nice as hell. This is comfortable. I feel like I'm legit on some sort of motorcycle right now. Yo, man, I gotta get me an e-bike. We hitting it, we hitting it. It's not super fast on acceleration, but it get that speed. Yo, this is sick. This is sick. Its acceleration isn't like crazy. Like these will like zoom you away. This will let it take its time. So if you're the type of person who doesn't like that super acceleration, it can go. But I at least had to be doing about 26. It sucks though, cause I want to go, but no brakes. There you go. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. This video's probably already 30 million years long. So it's been your boy Molly, aka X. What? I keep saying my gaming name. I keep saying Menace. It's your boy Molly. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you didn't, then I didn't mean to say that, but if you didn't, I don't know, just leave, I guess. If you did, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And I'm out. Peace.